Hi, and welcome to the installation videos for ARPIS iQ software version 7. The iQ software is available in different license models. This video will cover the network license regular client. This installation is done in two parts: the network component, which only needs to be installed once, and the local clients, which need to be installed on each PC or laptop individually. To start with, select a destination on a network drive and create a folder there for the network component to be installed to. In this example, the destination is the software directory on the network drive X. The file server name is server1. I'll name the folder after the iQ product. Once you have purchased your network license, you will receive an email from our customer service team. Download the zip file provided and extract it. Open the setup folder, scroll down to the setup.exe file, right-click it and run as administrator. Choose the network drive and save it to the folder you created. You can now install the local clients on individual computers. Open the folder on your network drive, scroll down to the iqtools.msi file and double-click it. Use the recommended path to install the software. Now find the iQ software in your programs and run it for the first time. Use the recommended path for your environment directory. This is where such files as your configuration and example.fme file are stored. This directory must be writable. If you have an older version of iQ software installed, you can now decide whether you want to keep your settings. That's it. Enjoy the software.